Ijuese. So you want to find out things about your partner. I want to find out about this family. Because there's no point in Ije Kwaka that's getting engaged and then coming back to find something that makes you incompatible. Then it goes to Ekwaka. Ekwaka is like making your intentions known. You go to the girl's family. Tradition says, you don't go empty-handed. So you go with a gift. That's where they'll now give you the list. Once you've done the Ekwaka, you can do the Uguisi when that woman becomes your wife. The significance of the Ebanku is to generally show everyone who your in-law is. The dad hands over a glass of palm wine and asks her, show us who is your husband. And she's walking around with the glass of palm wine and then finally sees it. And when he drinks the palm wine, he puts some money in the cup or the glass, and both of them now go back to the dad for the blessing, because she has now pointed out, this is my husband, for everyone to see. So it's a lovely ceremony.